my videos are getting demonetized. What does that mean? That means that YouTube's automatic system had detected words or some content in a couple of my videos that got them demonetized. That means that advertisers aren't allowed to advertise on them, and they won't show the video as much. The algorithm will deprioritize those videos when they become demonetized. YouTube wants to make money off them, and so they need to be monetized for the best advertisers. Now, in my case, I had controversial content. Either RV's Gone Wild, which shows like explosions and people getting hurt, or it was the other one was when I did one about emptying your black tank and etiquette around black tank. And I think I mentioned the word too many times. I don't want to say it and get demonetized. And so that got me hit. I actually had a couple of camping videos get demonetized as well. And I think, again, it's because I was joking about my dog going to the bathroom. And that, I think, is a trigger for that system. So I appealed those and I got those remonetized. But what it really says to me is I've got to keep this content clean. And I know some of you like me to be a little more straightforward and open and honest with my opinion or my thoughts. So you're going to see this channel changing a little bit, making a few changes between now and the end of the year. The first thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to step up my Patreon account. Now you can sign up for free at patreon.com/RVingWithJoe. And if you go there, you'll see content from me that I don't post on YouTube. Either it'll be because it's controversial, or also because it's sometimes a little private, or just something I don't want to necessarily blast on YouTube. But there's those folks who care about my channel, who care about me, who are kind of on the Patreon account. And I'm happy to kind of share more personal details or controversial things about me that I just don't want to put on the general YouTube channel. I also have some other changes coming up to the channel, and I look to my Joe's Road Trippers on Patreon. That's a special group of subscribers. It only costs $5 to sign up. We just had a new subscriber, Paul S. Welcome to the Joe's Road Tripper Club. Paul and other road trippers will actually see some of the questions that I have that help guide how this channel can change. I really want to hear feedback from everyone, and I might be posting some general questions, but a lot of times when I want to feel out something with a smaller core group, I'll just hit up the Joe's Road Trippers. And we've got some legendary people who've been in there. We've got Corey C., who's been on for a while, and the original founding member of Joe's Road Trippers, and that's Cindy C. She's one of our biggest supporters, comments on all the videos, and I appreciate all of your support. So check out the Patreon. If you're not sure how to get there, just open up a web browser. And all you do is type in patreon.com/RVingWithJoe. It'll just take you right there. Again, sign up for free or join the Joe's Road Tripper Club. And stay tuned for some of the changes that we have coming. And of course, come see me next month at the Snowbird RV show here in Abbotsford, British Columbia. I'll be speaking on the Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, once per day. I'm also giving away a cool, massive 440-watt solar panel that you can take camping with you. So make sure you come, check it out. There'll be more about that soon. I'll put a link to the tickets in the description. Come see me. We can all share our stories. After the seminar, I'll stick around. We can talk. I'd love to meet you and say hi. You can also stay tuned for this weekend where I'm releasing this review and demo I did of the Moon Cool bike. It's actually a 3-wheeled electric assist tricycle. So if you're interested in a 3-wheeled electric trike, or you just want to laugh at me for this big old guy getting on a 3-wheeled trike and biking around, feel free to check out the video. I'll put a link to it right below. And of course, we have our camping videos. I'll put a link over here to the playlist of the recent camping videos. We've got more coming out. Number 5 and number 6 should be coming out in the next couple of weeks. And this camping season is not over, so get out there and get busy living.